Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP to your MetaMask wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to integrate it into the Ethereum ecosystem for more versatility, you're in the right place. This process has evolved with new blockchain bridges, making it easier than ever. But first, a quick heads up. XRP is on its own ledger, so we'll need to use a bridge or wrapped token to get it into MetaMask. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's start with the prerequisites. Make sure you have a wallet with XRP, like the XRP toolkit or an exchange account. You'll also need MetaMask installed on your browser. Download it if you haven't already. Once that's set up, head to your XRP wallet and initiate a withdrawal or transfer to a bridge service, such as the XRP bridge or a decentralized exchange like Uniswap via a wrapped version of XRP, often called WXRP. Step 1. Connect your MetaMask to the appropriate network. For wrapped XRP, you'll likely switch to the Ethereum mainnet or a compatible Layer 2 solution. Go to MetaMask, click on the network dropdown, and select Ethereum. Next, in Step 2, visit a reliable bridge platform. I'll recommend ones like the official XRP bridge or Thorchain. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, connect your XRP wallet, and approve the transaction. This might involve paying a small gas fee, so keep some ETH handy in your MetaMask. Once the bridge processes your transfer, which could take a few minutes, your wrapped XRP will appear in your MetaMask wallet. Step 3. Verify the token. In MetaMask, go to Assets and add a custom token if it doesn't show up automatically. Use the contract address for WXRP, which you can find on the bridge's website. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Finally, you're all set. You can now use your XRP in DeFi apps, stake it, or trade it seamlessly. Remember, crypto is always evolving, so stay updated with the latest on XRP's ecosystem. If you run into any issues, check official docs or community forums. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.